Hello guys, today I am going to explain you the conic section and special curves problem of hyperbola by eccentricity method or general method. So how to construct an hyperbola by eccentricity method or general method, I am going to explain you according to the question, and by this I am going to explain you with my basic skills how to draw this, and with easily process I am going to explain you. Then in the exams it will be very easy to you to draw this problem, and please practice my problem according to how I am showing you. And please, if you like my videos, watch this videos till the end and like it, subscribe it, and share to your friends or relatives which is applicable to this videos or problem. And now I am going to start my problem. Construct an hyperbola where the distance of the focus from the directrix is 60 mm and eccentricity is 3/2. So how to draw this? First you have to draw a normal line like this and a directrix perpendicular to the normal line. This is the directrix line. You have to label it as A, B and C. This line is called directrix. Okay. Then after, construct an hyperbola when the distance of the focus from the directrix is 60 mm. Means from the directrix till the focus you are having the distance of 60 mm. So from the directrix you have to take 60 mm distance like this. This is the focus. So you have to label it as F. Then after, you have to divide this 60 mm into some equal parts. So how to divide means you have to come on eccentricity. How much eccentricity is given? 3/2. So you have to add this 3 plus 2. That answer will be 5. Means you have to divide the 60 mm into 5 equal parts. Okay. Means the 60 mm you have to divide into 5 equal parts. Means 60 divided by 5 will be 1.2 mm. So you have to divide it into 5 equal parts, 1.2 mm like this. 2, 3, 4, 5. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. If in the exam, in the question, if it changes the dimensions, means this side, this distance 60 mm, if we get 70, means you have to divide 70 into 5 equal parts according to the eccentricity. To after adding, how much we are getting? 5. Means 70 divided by 5, how much it is getting? Which each distance will be of that distance. Okay. So after dividing this distance, you have to come on same eccentricity. How much it is given? 3/2. So in the numerator what it is? 3. So you have to take these 3 divisions only from focus. 1, 2, 3. This division will be, this point will be vertices V. Okay. According to the eccentricity only you have to take the vertices from the focus. Vertices. Then how much you are getting from vertices to focus distance? 3.6. Okay. By measuring this 3.6, that 3.6 only you have to take a line from the normal line till upward like this perpendicular line. 3.6. Okay. And this point will be E. And from that C and E you have to make a line like this. You have to extend, you have to join C and E and extend the line. Then after doing this, you have to divide this vertices in the normal line from the vertices into some equal parts. It may be for 4 parts or 5 parts. According to you, it's up to you how many you want to take. You can take. So I am taking 1 mm distance like this. 1 mm, 1 mm, 1 mm, 1 mm. 4 equal parts I have taken. With this distance I have taken. This one, this one, this one, this one. So you have to number it. 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Now from that point you have to make perpendicular lines to the normal like this, up and down. And from 4 also like this. Then after drawing the lines, you have to label here also. If 1 is there, 1 dash, 2, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash. Like this you have to do. Then after labeling the points, you have to take a divider and you have to measure 1 to 1 dash distance. Okay, and keeping on F only, you have to take an arc on that 1 and 1 dash line, perpendicular line, like this. Then after making an arc, you have to label P1 and this one will be P1 dash. Then from 2 to 2 dash you have to measure. Simultaneously you have to do all the points. 2 to 2 dash you have to measure, and keeping on F only, taking an arc on 2 and 2 dash line. This will be P2 and this will be P2 dash. Then on third one point from F to F dash, measuring, keeping on F, taking an arc on that 3 and 3 dash, and this will be P3 dash. Then after 4 to 4 you have to measure it, and keeping on F, you have to take an arc on that 4 to 4 dash. This will be P4 dash. Now after removing the points, you have to make an curves from these vertices. You have to join these points with the curves. For example, with a free hand, first you make it from vertices to P1, P2, P3, P4 or extend it. Now you have to dot this line like this. Same upward also from vertices P1 dash, P2 dash, P3 dash, P4 dash, then extend it. Now dark it. This is the hyperbola constructed according to the question by eccentricity method or general method. Okay, now you have to, according to the question, you have to do the dimension also. Means the distance from focus to the directrix is 60 mm. From directrix to the focus, how much distance we are given? 60 mm. So you have to extend a line from the focus and draw a dimensioning line. Make an arrow mark. How much distance? 60. Show 60 mm distance. This is the complete solution for the hyperbola. So after drawing this, you have to practice it by yourself how to do this. Then only you will come to understand. And watch my videos till the end. You are watching WiseTech Engineering channel, YouTube channel by Muhammad Abdul Mehboob, and more videos I am going to upload. Please watch my videos till the end and like, subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to comment in my YouTube channel inbox. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.